How to enable enhanced protection in Google Chrome. So here is how to enable enhanced protection. So let's get started. So basically, first of all, open the Google Chrome app on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed into your Google account. So once inside the Google Chrome, simply tap on the three-dot menu at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you tap on it, a menu will appear on a screen. From there, swipe to the right side and there you'll get to see settings option available. Tap on it. And once you tap on these settings, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option available in there. And once you tap on the privacy and security, you will get to see safe browsing option available in there. Simply tap on it. Then simply choose enhanced protection option available there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.